This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable pop-ups and redirects in the Thorium Web Browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Thorium Web Browser opened up now. To enable or disable pop-ups and redirects, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right-hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the page that opens up, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to go down to where it says Site Settings. Click on Site Settings. Then you will scroll down a ways, down to where you see the Content area, and in the Content area, right here, pop-ups and redirects. Click on pop-ups and redirects. And right up top here, default behavior. Sites automatically follow this setting when you visit them. The top one, if you toggle that one on, sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. If you toggle on the bottom one, don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. Down below that, you can customize behaviors. For me, it has allow to send pop-ups and use redirects. It has all these sites listed in here. I didn't add any of these. I can remove them though. If there's any sites listed down here for you, you just click on the 3-dot menu off to the right side of it, go down to where it says Remove. But the main features right up top here, default behavior. That is how to enable or disable pop-ups and redirects in the Thorium Web Browser. Thanks for watching.